Hi viewers, welcome to Sara Pakistan. Our today's video is about A-level mathematics. We hope that this video will help you to understand difficult concepts. However, if you feel any difficulty, please let us know through comments and we'll try to help you accordingly. Before we start our today's video, you are requested to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. We hope you will like and share it with your friends. Viewers, let's start learning mathematics now. Hi everybody, welcome to Sara Pakistan. Today we are doing exercise 1D question number 2. The sum of two numbers is 26 and the product of two numbers is 153. Part A, what are the two numbers? So let's start with part A and let's suppose the two numbers be x and y, as you can see on the screen. Now you can make equations from the given data. It means you will add the number to get the sum. X plus y will become equal to 26, and if you multiply these two numbers x and y, you will get 153. So these are the two equations, equation number 1 and equation number 2. From equation number 2 you can get x equal to 153 over y. You can put this value in equation 1. You will get 153 over y plus y equal to 26. Now you can multiply throughout by y and you will get this. On simplification and factorization, you can solve this and you will get finally two values of y, which is 17 and 9. Now you have the second equation, equation number 2, and put the values in that equation to get the values of x. At y is equal to 17, x will be 9, and at y is equal to 9, x will be 17. So you have two values, 9 and 17 are 17 and 9. For the second part of this equation, x plus y is still 6 and xy is 150. The same is the process, there isn't any change. X will be equal to 150 over y, and now you can put this value in the first equation. This is first equation and this is second equation. So 150 over y, this is x, plus y is equal to 26, and now multiply throughout by y. 1 you will get 150 plus y square is equal to 26 y. Rearranging, you will get y square minus 26y is equal to on rearranging you will get y square minus 26y plus 150 equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation, and let's see how we can solve it. Now in this case you can see midterm breaking is not possible, and we will use quadratic formula. You can find out the values of a, b and c. Here a is 1, b is minus 26 and c is 150. So x equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac whole over 2a. By putting the values of a, b and c in this formula, you can get the value of y. Replace this x with y, because here in this equation we have variable y, not x. Now the minus b will become minus 26 plus minus b square minus 26 square minus 4 time a is 1 and c is 150 whole over 2 time a, that is 1. On further simplification, you will get y is equal to 26 plus minus 676 minus 600 over 2, and this is equal to y 26 plus minus 76 over 2. Here y is equal to 26 plus minus 8.72 over 2, and y will be having two values. Y is now y is 34.72 over 2, and y will be 17.36. Now you have y is equal to 17.28 over 2 and y is equal to 8.64. Now we have got two values of y, and we can find out the value of x by putting these two values of y in equation 1. Equation 1 is x plus y equal to 26. When y is 17.36, this equation will become 17.36 equal to 26, and x will be 26 minus 17.36, and you will get the answer 8.64. This is the value of x, and similarly on this side you will get x plus 8.64 equal to 26 and x will be 26 minus 8.64 and x will be 17.36. Now we have got two values of x and two values of y at the same time, which are quite different from the part 1. Viewers, thanks for your precious time. Please subscribe to our channel Sara Pakistan and hit the bell icon for regular updates. Hope you will like and share this video within your circle. Stay connected and thanks for watching.